Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you exactly how to add accounts on Spotify on phone, so you can easily switch and enjoy your favorite music from any account you like. It's quick, simple, and anyone can do it. So now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. If you haven't opened it in a while, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best performance and security. This ensures all features work smoothly without errors. Step 2. In the menu, you'll see two options: sign up for free or log in. If you already have an account, select the login option. Then, choose your preferred login method, like Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email. Select the account you want and log in to start using Spotify right away. Step 3. If you want to add another account on Spotify, don't worry. Locate the profile icon in the top corner of the screen and tap on it. This icon gives you access to your personal settings and account management options. Step 4. Now find and tap on the Settings and Privacy option. This is where you can change how your account works, adjust preferences, and manage your profile details. It's an important place to know if you switch accounts often. Step 5. Within the menu, scroll down until you see the Logout option. Tap on it to log out of your current account. Once logged out, you'll be taken back to the login screen, where you can enter details for your other account, or select it from the options. That's it! You've successfully added another account to your Spotify on phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.